What would you do if the fate of the world hung in the balance? This isn't a movie. This is real. Imagine waking up one morning to the news that our planet is under threat from an extraterrestrial force. The fear, the uncertainty, the sheer magnitude of the situation would be overwhelming. But this is not just a hypothetical scenario. This is the reality we faced. In the heart of a bustling city, a group of brilliant minds detected a signal that would change everything we thought we knew about our place in the universe. These scientists, working tirelessly in their high-tech labs, were the first to intercept the message. The signal came from deep space, far beyond our solar system. It was a transmission unlike any other, filled with complex data and unknown codes. The implications were staggering. The message decoded was clear. An alien civilization was preparing to invade Earth. The scientists worked around the clock, decoding the intricate message, their faces growing more serious with each passing hour. The realization hit hard. We were not alone, and our visitors were not coming in peace. An alien civilization was preparing to invade Earth. Their ships, massive and ominous, were already on their way. The fleet was unlike anything we had ever seen, a testament to their advanced technology and their intent to dominate. As the news spread, panic gripped the world. Cities descended into chaos as people tried to make sense of the impending doom. The streets were filled with fear and confusion, a stark contrast to the normalcy of everyday life just hours before. Advanced spacecraft loomed in our skies, energy weapons at the ready, and mind-controlling devices threatened our very existence. The alien technology was far beyond our own, and their intentions were clear: subjugation or annihilation. But in the face of this unprecedented threat, humanity did not falter. In war rooms and labs around the world, determined faces reflected a resolve to fight back. Scientists and experts collaborated intensely, pooling their knowledge and resources to develop a plan. Scientists worked around the clock, decoding alien technology, developing countermeasures, and forming alliances. They examined alien artifacts, reverse engineering their technology to create defenses and weapons that could stand a chance against the invaders. Governments and military forces rallied together, setting aside differences to protect our home. World leaders met in emergency sessions, coordinating a global response. Soldiers from every nation prepared for battle, united by a common cause. In major cities, fierce battles erupted. Urban landscapes turned into war zones as soldiers and civilians alike took up arms. The fight was brutal, with every street and building becoming a battleground. The skies lit up with aerial dogfights and naval engagements raged across the seas. Our pilots faced off against alien ships in intense dogfights, while our naval forces engaged in epic battles on the water. The scale of the conflict was unprecedented. It was a time of chaos, but also of unity. People from all walks of life came together, united by the common goal of survival. Communities banded together, offering support and resources to those in need. People from all walks of life stood shoulder to shoulder, fighting for survival. Civilians and soldiers worked side by side, each playing their part in the defense of our planet. The sense of solidarity was palpable. Massive explosions rocked our cities, but we stood strong, refusing to be conquered. Buildings crumbled and fires raged, but the human spirit remained unbroken. We fought back with everything we had, with every battle, with every sacrifice. We inched closer to victory. Stories of heroism and bravery emerged, inspiring others to keep fighting. Each victory, no matter how small, brought us one step closer to reclaiming our world. This is the story of Earth under siege, a story of a planet that faced the brink of destruction and fought back. It's a tale of resilience, courage, and the unyielding human spirit. The story of a planet that refused to surrender. Stay tuned, sci-fi fans. The fight for our world has just begun. As we continue to battle the alien invaders, we learn more about their weaknesses and our own strengths. The journey ahead is fraught with danger, but also with hope. The fight for our world has just begun. The final stand is yet to come, and the outcome is uncertain. But one thing is clear: humanity will not go quietly into the night. We will fight, we will endure, and we will prevail.